In this video, I'll show you how to create UpScrolled account. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So once you have installed and downloaded the UpScrolled on your device, you're going to come on here and enter these required details. So make sure you do yours from your own end as well. So once you have filled it in, tap on the next. This option is going to come out. So make sure you enter all these required details as well. So I'm going to enter mine as well, and I'm going to tap on the next. So after that, you're going to be able to get a verification code on your mail. So this is my tutorial mail I use for just educational purposes. So I'm going to tap on the next as well. So I've just verified my own UpScrolled account. So that's I got the verification code via my mail. So I'm going to come on, I'm going to select the one I can just use. Let me say for test. Yeah. So I'm going to tap on the sign up. So this is how you can basically do this. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the very next video. So we just created our own UpScrolled account. So this is how I can basically do this. Thank you for watching.